Hi, my name is Dana Trump. We're going to show you the installation process of hooking up a third function valve kit in series with a backhoe on the older MX tractors. This will include the MX 4700, the MX 4800, the MX 5100, and also the MX 5200. This tractor's got a third function valve on it that's fully functional. At this point, we're basically adding a backhoe hydraulics to it. We're going to hook these together in series. This line that comes from the return port from the third function valve runs down to the top left port of this block. You'll remove this hose and discard it. At that point there, your pressure line to the backhoe is this one here on this instance. You'll need to do some customization possibly, depending on your tractor model. We'll have to install this fitting on the block to fit this hose. Other models, you may need to make the hoses a little longer to get this pressure port hooked up to a pressure line. The return line from the backhoe loop is going to come back and hook in to the top left corner of this block. Okay, as a recap, now that we've got the hoses installed, I'm going to run through the hydraulics direction of flow one more time for you. Remember, the power beyond port at the loader valve. Pressure comes out of here. This is going to go to the pressure side of third function valve. Out the return side, tank side of third function valve, you're going to hook your pressure line for your backhoe loop up. When the return line comes back from the backhoe, that return line goes down here to the top left port. At this time here, the oil going into this block is going to feed your 3-point and then dump back to case internally. If you have more questions, consult your operator's manual or see your local Land Pride dealer. For more instructional videos, go to Land Pride's YouTube channel. I'm Dana Trump. Thank you for watching and thank you for buying Land Pride.